Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to ShopPay account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the search box and type in shop.app and search. From the main homepage of ShopPay, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. To sign into your account, you will need to enter your email address associated with your account. Type in your email address correct and click continue. Now, you'll need to enter the verification code that you received via SMS on your registered number. After you are done typing in the code, you will then be able to log into ShopPay. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.